Capri Sons, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I define my TWA. If you guys don't know what TWA stands for, it stands for teeny weeny afro. As you guys know, I am growing out my hair. So today's video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how I define my curls and everything like that and what products I use. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it. Before I do, you already know what you got to do. You got to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. So let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So guys, my hair is damp. I just got out of the shower. I like to do my hair when it's damp. I like to take this pick right here and I like to pick out my hair. Just pick it out all over like this. It feels so good when I pick out my hair, y'all. So good. So I just pick it out all around like this. There we go, y'all. Let me grab my mirror real quick. Okay, so I want to go grab my mirror real quick. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. But the first item that I like to put in my hair is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. Now guys, I have been using this product, oh my God, for about 2 years now. My husband also loves this. He uses it on his waves. And I just take like a little pea size like that on my fingertip and rub it in, and I just put it all over my hair. Just a little bit. You do not need a lot of this product, guys. A little bit of this product really goes a long way. And as you guys can see, I'm rubbing every product in with a circular motion. Y'all, I cannot talk today for some reason. What's wrong with me? Alright, so moving on. So for the next product I like to use is this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. It's a leave-in moisturizer for your curls. And y'all, oh my God, have been loving this. I've been using this for about 3 days to a week now. And it literally, a lot of people think that this, if it's the texture of honey, is thick, but it's not. It looks like honey, but it's not as thick as honey. It does go in your hair very smooth without leaving it super oily and feeling heavy and stuff like that. That is what I love about this product. It is pretty pricey. I got this from my local Target for $13.99, so it's $14 for this bottle. It is a 9-ounce bottle, which is a pretty big bottle. Usually stuff is like 6 ounces or 8 ounces, but this is a 9-ounce bottle, and like I said, it's $13.99. And I just take like a little bit, like I literally just take like 2 drips. If I can get it out of here. Take 2 drips like that, and that's how much is on my hand. And I take that and I rub it in. Y'all, this product smells so good. If you ever had a boba or like some brown sugar honey type, it just smells just like that. It smells so good. But I take that and I just put that all over my hair. So guys, while I'm rubbing this in, I will let you guys know that the middle of my head always itches, like itches so bad. And I feel like this product keeps my hair moisturized for a longer period of time, which helps the middle of my head not be so dry. Y'all, I have really thick, coarse hair, which I'm thankful for. I used to be so upset that my hair was so thick because I got it from my dad. But I'm growing to like love my hair, and I love how thick it is. But I feel like this product locks in the moisture a lot longer than like any other product that I have used. And like I said, it's not heavy on the hair at all. And as you guys can see, I am working in a circular motion again. I would definitely say give this product a try. If you got $14 to spend and you want to try a new product on your natural hair, this is the product. All right, moving on. So next, what I like to use is I like to go in with the Eco Styling Gel. I use the one in the green, the one with the olive oil. I find that this one does not get flaky at all or anything like that, so I really like using this one. I just take that much on my finger. I don't take a lot at all, y'all. Not at all. And I just rub that in, and again, I just go in circular motion all over my head. And y'all, this gel, I've been using this gel for years too. Like I've been buying the same bottle, the green bottle, because I feel like all the other ones, they just make your hair so flaky. And I've heard other people say that too, like the one in the red, a lot of people say, oh my God, my hair flakes so much. So I've just been using the green bottle for years now. I would say about 5 years now, probably longer than that. but this is what I do. Rub all that in really good. All right, so last and not least, the last product that I put in my hair is a lot of body with coconut and shea oils. It's the Wrap Me foaming mousse. Y'all, now the reason why I put this in my hair is because the gel does hold your hair well, and I don't like to leave my hair feeling hard. I like to soften it up a little bit, bring it back to its natural state. So I like to take about this much on my hand. Sometimes I take a little bit more, rub that into my hair, pat it, and go in circular motion as well. And y'all, this is just how I define my curls. Just going in a circular motion with the product. But I love this product. My earring just fell out, y'all. Okay, now that I have that all rubbed in, y'all, I'm gonna go in one more time with a little bit of Eco Styling Gel to my edges. I'm just gonna take a little bit, just a little bit around my edges, like this. Not that much at all. Go all the way around. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this stuff sets your edges all day, all day. My edges be set all day long with this product. And then y'all, I would recommend getting like a edge brush. That's what I have. Me and my kids use an edge brush. It comes just like this. You can get it off Amazon for about $2, an edge brush. This thing is a lifesaver. So I just take the edge brush and I just comb down my edges like that. Get them to where I like them. Like that. I really don't do much to my edges, y'all, because I like to leave my hair looking as natural as possible. I don't like to do extra overboard with my edges at all. I just kind of like to leave them as natural as possible. So that's all I do for my edges on that side. And y'all, this really does not take me that long. The products that I use really make it super easy for me to like do my hair in literally under 5 minutes. Like, I'm serious. Like, these products that I'm using, they work miracles. And that is all I do for my edges. Kind of play with it a little bit. Okay guys, I went and grabbed me a rag real quick, and I just like to take like a little bit of gel off my edges like this, just to get a little bit of that gel off my edges. All right, that is it. That is how I define my curls. I showed you all of the current products that I love to use. I would recommend you guys going to try the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. It's really good. Like I said, I love this stuff, and it smells so good, and it's not heavy on my hair at all. This routine definitely helps me. As you guys can see, my curls are very defined. I'm gonna do like a whole 360 for you guys here. And I'm about to go out and run errands. So this is what I like to do to my hair when I'm like going out running errands or something like that. And that way I don't have to wear a wig. I don't really like to wear a wig every single day. I don't wear a wig every single day. And I don't wear makeup every single day. So this is like what I would do to go run errands and stuff like that. So y'all let me know if y'all like videos like this. If you want me to continue to show you guys the products that I use and everything like that. Keep you updated. Do more natural hair tutorials. I would love to do so. And yeah guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at LaShondaCapri. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.